Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can bypass the administrator protection on your Windows. Let's begin. First, go to your Windows Start menu over here and look up for Registry Editor. Make sure to run this as the admin. Okay. Then I want you to click on Local Machine, go to Software, and look for Microsoft. This one. Scroll down until you see Windows Defender. Let me see. I'm going to move this right over here. So this, okay, Windows Defender. You need to right click on it, rename, and just copy the name because you're going to export this folder, right? We're going to make a copy for this. So export. Choose any folder you want, most likely in the desktop, so you can easily access this. So desktop, and then just copy the name, save. Now the next step is once you have successfully exported the folder, it will show up this. This will be your backup just in case something happens. Go back here, right click, and then delete this folder. It will delete all of the existing files under this Windows Defender. And don't worry, it won't affect anything integral. This will now allow us to access and make some changes in your Windows security. So once you have made the changes and deleted this folder, go ahead, close everything, and restart your PC. Once you're back on your screen, you should now be able to bypass those administrator protection and make some security changes. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.